Well, hey, I'm John Hassel, the lake guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with Heavy Holiday Realtors. But today I'm not coming to you as a realtor. Today I'm coming to you as a homeowner. Yeah, you know, we realtors, we have lives too. And fortunately or unfortunately, I live here at the lake, and I'm getting ready to have a building brought on to match my other two buildings. I'm going to have an office brought in. Yeah, doing real estate from the office at Ebby. It's very congestive sometimes. Need some place you can just get away and focus. So I've got a new building coming on to my little complex of small buildings that I've been working on. So I was going to give you a view of what it looks like to set one of these things up. And you know, I'm part of the new quote-unquote tiny home community. So we'll see how this goes as the day goes along. Just keep watching. Now these are my two tiny homes so far. This one right here is the one I've just about got completed. It's a one-bedroom office. It used to be the office, no, it's no longer be the office. It's the guest house now. And this one over here that I haven't really started on yet is going to be a two-bedroom, two-bath main home. And as we come around here to this side, right in this spot right here is where the other building is going to go. That's actually going to be my office, and it's coming painted. So the new color that I want to paint. So I'm kind of excited about that. But this is my view. I've got some beautiful trees on this lot. I've had it for about 3 years and been working on it for 3 years. But here's a view of the cove that I've got back in the back. It's nice, quiet. I had a dock put in last year. It's just really nice. Bill Morgan Marine actually did a fantastic job. That's Admiral's Harbor over there, just right across from the Pinnacle Club, and then it goes back around. So, and actually Morgan put in that dock right there for Michael, my other neighbor. But I'm getting ready to get this stuff done. I'm looking forward to it, and it's an ongoing project. But yeah, it's gonna be a great place to work from, great scenery. Hopefully I'll be able to focus, sell a lot more real estate. Well, it's here. I'll let you know which one it is when it gets on the lot. Yes, it does look a little precarious. Let's see what happens. Heading to its resting spot. We'll see it when it's finished. Yeah, it's going to be a tight squeeze. Okay, it's in the general vicinity of where it's going. Just got to get it blocked and leveled. Well, it's installed. Still got to put skirting around it. Got to put windows in it and put a door in it, but it's in place, and eventually that will be my new office in 2 to 3 months. I'm really excited about it, and the color turns out pretty good actually. Really pleased. So when realtors do get a day off, which is rare, we have stuff to do too, and we have to take care of it. So welcome to the new tiny home community, and that's one of the advantages of having a realtor who lives at the lake. This is our neighborhood. We live here. We take care of it. We know where everything is. So when you employ a realtor who lives at the lake, you get the best of both worlds. A homeowner, an operator, someone who knows the lake and has nothing but your best interests in mind in buying or selling. So give us a call. Talk to y'all later. Have a great day and wish me luck.